Hello, I'm Jason Buck. I work with Remax Estate Properties and I'm shooting video of homes that come on the market. And this is a really cool spot and it is bright and sunny because all that out there is ocean. So I can see the top of Catalina and then the isthmus. I mean, we're at 26 Oceanaire. Look at this giant driveway in the front yard. It's amazing. We're off the very top of Crenshaw, over the other side of the world. Basically, you look down forever, going south. So really neat spot here and excited to see this house. So here's our top of the stairs, front patio. Beautiful, big ocean view. Very nice. So single level home. Hi. Hello. Oh, nice. Hi.
Hi, good to see you.
You too, thank you so much. What a neat place.
Isn't it great? So the main house here is a 4-bedroom, 2.5 bath. There's one downstairs that's a powder room.
Okay.
The garage for the swimming pool.
Right.
And the laundry's down there as well. 3 bedrooms and a bathroom up here. Primary bedroom here. And then there's an EDU.
Oh, neat. I'll have to check that out.
It's really cute.
Thank you.
Yeah, thank you.
So nice raised foundation. This is our primary. A lot of light comes in here. We have smooth ceilings and they're skimmed. This could be updated.
Yeah. Yes, the 61 was a priority. Oh, sorry.
It's all right. So this is a neat little area. Like a, could be an office. It's good for a rec area. Skim ceilings again. Really nice recessed lighting. Wow, there's views out this way too. Oh, nice. What a neat place.
Thank you for coming. Bye-bye.
Here's our kitchen. Wow. Okay, here's the bath. Ocean. Laundry. Storage. Nice pool area, landscaped. Still get some view out that way. Looks good. Good condition. What a beautiful little bridge in that area. Huh. Okay, so this is the garage, and then part of it is an ADU. Smart. Actually, all of it. So it was the garage, maybe, and now it's an ADU. Huh. I mean, there's the garage over there. Why do I think this was? Oh, that's a really nice ADU. Huh. Super cool. It's pretty functional. You have your own private entrance. Really neat. Cool spot. Well, there's a lot to offer here. If you're looking for a home and got some questions about the market and what's happening, give me a call. I'm happy to talk to you about it. And I live not far from here, so it's easy to show. Thanks a lot for watching. Make it a great day.